Thank you for sharing your Friday afternoon with us here on Kababayan LA. And it's another fan moment for me this afternoon on the show dahil ako po lumaking fan nitong ipapakilala ko sa inyo. Certified hitmaker, and he's always here on Kababayan LA every time pong bumibisita sila sa Los Angeles, Mr. Marcos Sison. Hello and welcome to Kababayan LA.
Thank you very much. Wow, thank you. Salamat sa pag-accommodate sa akin dito.
Hindi, ikaw nga, hindi ka tumatawag pag nandito ka sa Los Angeles eh. Pero okay, good question. First question for you. The last time you were here, we were talking about you moving here, diba? Pero mukhang nagbago yung plano at mukhang ikaw eh bumalik sa Pilipinas.
Bumalik na lang ako sa Pilipinas kasi nalulungkot ako dito. Alam mo kung bakit? Wala akong ginagawa dito.
Nag-gym ka?
Gym lang ako ng gym. Tapos, kain din naman ako ng kain. So, sabi ko, anyway, I talked to my lawyer, si Jamela Neta. Sabi ko, stay na lang ako doon, pwede naman eh. Oo, pwede naman, sabi niya. At saka, mas maraming trabaho doon. Parang feeling ko wrong timing yung pagpunta ko dito because of what's going on.
Right, yung recession. And
yeah, yung recession. So, every like 4 months, umuwi ako dito, but I stay here only for about 2 or 3 weeks, and then I go back.
Because your situation is different also. You moved here with your family, pero ang bumalik sa Pilipinas is ikaw lang.
Oo, ako lang.
Okay, how difficult is that to be living away from your family?
At first, it was really difficult kasi marami kami. Kaya lang, ngayon, pag mag-isa ako sa kwarto, siguro the first few weeks lang mahirap. Pero after a while, gano'n naman eh. Tulad niyan, pag uwi ko sa Sunday, ang hirap na naman akong umuwi.
Right, right.
So,
How often do you talk to them when you're... Kasi marami sa ating mga kababayan, you know, they could be in the same situation. May mga naiwanan sa Pilipinas. How do you keep in contact?
Almost every day nag-uusap kami.
May iyakan blues ba yan?
Ay, hindi, wala. Hindi naman ako ganun. Wala lang, ang concern ko lang naman dito sa mga anak ko, yung safety nila eh. That's it.
Right. But another concern for you could be you're the breadwinner of the family and you're working in the Philippines, and I know you earn quite a sizable there for the gigs and stuff that you do, but still you have to divide it by ano bang foreign exchange rate, let's say 45 or 40.
43.
Oh, yan. So, paano yun? Nag-maintain ka ng bahay doon, nag-maintain ka ng bahay dito. Your wife, does she work?
No, she doesn't work.
She doesn't work. So, di ba?
She's taking care of the 2 younger kids.
You have 4, di ba? So, gaano kahirap yun, Marco?
Super hirap.
I have a cousin kasi that's thinking of doing that, moving to the Philippines, working there, but supporting his family here.
Wala akong masyadong naiipon, at saka, kasi nga, syempre, yun lang naman ang dahilan ko kaya ako masyadong nagtatrabaho is because of them. Ayoko naman silang pabayaan dito.
Right, right.
But my 2 other sons are working, ayoko naman i-impose na, huy, tumulong naman kayo.
Right, right,
so,
right.
I'm just waiting for them to do that.
Ayan, talaga naman. Siguro mas marami pang mga fans ang nagtitilian ngayon sa harap ng TV. Certified hitmaker na napakaulirang ama pa ni Marcos Sison. But you seem to be having fun din naman with your career in the Philippines. Tell me, how's it going?
Oh, wow. Great. Kasi, pagbata ka kasi, 25 years ago, it was like a big party to me. So ngayon, wala kang iniisip na responsibilities. Ngayon, mas enjoy ako kasi ang swerte ko because I'm still here in the business and I'm doing another album. I've made about, 18, 19 CDs already.
Wow.
And I'm so proud about it.
And not too many can last this long in a business that's very, you know...
That's very... well, they always say it's unstable. Ako naman, ang tingin ko ngayon, lahat na ng trabaho ay unstable.
Ayan. O sige, we're gonna be talking a little bit more about that, talking about the album, talking about the new album, new songs if there's any, and gigs in the Philippines. When we return, he's also gonna be singing for us. Mr. Marcos Sison back on Kababayan LA. Don't go away.